Here at BRECOflex, we have your back.
This backing is Supergrip White. Supergrip White is made of a PVC material that meets the criteria for FDA CFR 21, Section 177.1680 for use in food processing. It has a hardness of approximately 38 Short A and a coefficient of friction of 0.6. Supergrip White is glue bonded with a butt joint to our polyurethane timing belts. Supergrip White has a standard thickness of 3 mm and is ideal for many food processing applications. It is resistant to oils and greases, resistant to acids and alkalis. It has a temperature range of -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, or 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and is ideal for incline conveying.
BRECOflex offers dozens of backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance finding the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.